wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. Today we have a special episode because today we are going to say thank you to all the teachers out there who do such a great job in educating us children. Education is one of the most important things in life, and there are many ways we learn. We learn when a teacher teaches us knowledge. We learn by reading books. And we also learn by experiencing things. But today, we are specifically going to learn about the great teachers out there. Shall we take a look?
A great teacher always loves to educate students. There's something extremely gratifying about sharing information with your students and working with them to ensure that they understand concepts and practical applications as well. Teachers always seek to inspire their students in all aspects of their lives, and for many teachers, their greatest goal is to be a role model. A role model is someone who inspires and encourages students to strive for greatness and teaches them through experience and commitment how to realize their full potential to become the best they can be. A teacher is also there to motivate students if they are shy or don't seem interested and show them the way to get excited about something that might seem boring at first. While teachers' job is to teach you something, nonetheless, teachers learn something new every day as well. As a matter of fact, we all do. No matter how old or how young you are, we all learn something new every single day. And finally, teachers become teachers because they want to make change happen. They make it their life goal to help improve the quality of education for everyone. They will go beyond the work that they usually do to help out, give their time, and try to make a difference.
Wow, that's really fascinating, isn't it? Now, I've decided because my teacher is so important to me, I'm going to do a special craft for him. Actually, I already did it, kids. It's right there to say, Happy Teacher's Day. You see, this teacher is very special to me. When I started in his class, I did not like reading books at all. All I wanted to do is watch TV. Mom and Dad weren't happy, but then this particular teacher asked me what my favorite movie was. I told him The Never-Ending Story. I love the fantasy world and the adventure, and well, it's an adventure I want to go on. Then my teacher told me that the movie is actually based on a book. I said, Really? How can that be? He explained to me that some of the best movies we get to see are actually based on books, written 50 or 100 years ago. Whoa! So he gave me the book, The Never-Ending Story, and I started reading it, and I couldn't put it down. You see, kids, now I want to read all the books to the movies that I know. And I figured, since he really helped me discover the world of books, I'm going to make a craft just for him as a thank you. Do you think he'll like it? I mean, I hope so. Did you do one yourself? I'd love to see a picture of your gift for your teacher. Please share with us on our Instagram or Facebook page. We'd love to see your artwork. So I think what I'm going to do now is add some pencils and pens and add a note and wrap it all up. So I'll leave you with our sing-along song, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. A the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see where to go if you did not twinkle so. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. As your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!